You can just change the background of your image as simple as this, by just tapping and selecting the background you like. In just a few seconds, the background of your photo will be removed without any problem. These backgrounds are totally free to use. Changing the background of an image on an iPhone device is very simple and easy. All you need is to capture or download an image in your iPhone, and you can easily change the background using Safari browser in just a few taps.
Change background using Safari browser on an iPhone.
Let's move to the screen and show you how you can remove any background from an image. First, I will open Photos app and show you the image that I'm going to use to show you how you can change background of any image on your iPhone device. So this is the photo that I'm going to use. So first step is to open Safari browser and head straight to google.com. Tap on the search bar and type background remover. You can also simply type remove.bg to go to website page directly. Tap on the search button. You will find the first link of remove.bg. So open this website. Now scroll down and tap on the upload image button and select photo library. Now select the photo and then tap on Done. In just a few seconds, the background of your photo will be removed without any problem. If you tap on the plus-shaped backgrounds button, you can select and add various types of backgrounds for your image. Just tap and select the background that you like, and it is so easy and simple for anyone to use. These backgrounds are totally free to use. And you can just change the background of your image as simple as this, by just tapping and selecting the background you like. Once you've selected your background, just tap on the Done button. And now tap on the Download button. Tap on the Save Image option. Now close your Safari browser and open Photos app to see the saved image. So that's it. You can also change the background of your image now, anytime, and without having any problems using application for editing that takes so much time to remove and change backgrounds. So that's all, and thanks for watching.
Don't miss out on the latest tech revelations. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and more. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in the know. Welcome to Tech Specs, your guide to discovering the full potential of technology. Let's explore the future together.